Hi, Lady Esther. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about beauty, skincare, and deep thoughts. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Chanel purchase. If you're interested in this today, please stick around. So I already finished, I previously filmed with my iPhone, well, kind of an unboxing because I wanted to open it up. Okay, so this is my very first Chanel package that I got that was tied up with ribbon and a camellia. So this is pretty exciting. I'm just gonna try to open it up here and add to this video later. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down and I'll unwrap it. So here is my very first Chanel Bandeau. I'm not sure if that's how you spell it. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, Bandeau, but I just love this black and white one where one side is black with the white flowers and the other side is more white with some black flowers. I just think it's so pretty. I love it. So that box was wrapped with this Chanel ribbon with the famous camellia that everybody likes to get, and it's just a fabric ribbon. Okay, so before I continue, I hope everybody is doing well, and it is a little bit noisy with the coffee bean grinder. I'm not sure if you could hear that. So anyway, I will get back to the unboxing. So this is from my personal shopper, and it's my first Bandeau in this nice black Chanel flat box, thin box, which is like yay thin. So in the box, pretty much there's just Chanel paper with a sticker that says Chanel, and this is the Bandeau that I really wanted. I did order another one, but it didn't come yet. But this is the one that I wanted, and I will show you. So one side of the Bandeau is like black with white. I believe those are camellias. And it says Chanel, made in Italy. And this is 100% silk. Kind of like a tie, I guess. But it's called a Bandeau. And then on the other side, you got like the white, or I don't know what color that is. It's actually kind of like an off-white with black and white flowers and the Chanel logo. So let me see if I can show you that together. Okay, wait a minute. There. That's what I wanted to show you. Them side by side, like right there, if you could see that. So I've never worn a Bandeau. Some people, maybe for those who know about this, let me know. They wrap it around their handbag handles and for decoration, or they wear it around their neck. So which I was going to try to do that here, though I'm not really sure how to tie this. Let me just, I will just, I guess, tie a, just wrap it, I'll just wrap it around like this right now. I'm just gonna do that for now. I would do like that, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cute. What do you think? So, my goodness, this is gonna be a short video because this is really all I have. So, I'm wearing the Chanel earrings from my previous video. This is my Bandeau I wanted to show you. So the end of the Bandeau is cut at a diagonal here, which I think is nice and pretty. And you know, there is a scarf, like a full squared scarf, I'm not sure the dimension, with the same material that I like that one too. So you could wear that around your neck. I guess you could even tie it in your hair like Madonna used to do. Remember that in the 80s? well, I don't think she used Chanel Bandeaus for her hair. Maybe she did. I don't know. So, what do you guys think of this Bandeau pattern? Isn't it pretty? I really like it. The black and white is just so stunning together. And the other one, let's see, what was it? Well, if I could find a picture of it, I'll insert it. Is, unless it shows up later, I will add it to this video. But I believe it was black with, on the end right here, I think it said the word Chanel down here in black, and it had some kind of floral pattern on it. They have just many different colors, but I don't know, I think it looks kind of nice. If you're interested in this makeup look, this is the same makeup look that I created in the Chantecaille video, which I will link up here, a link to that video if you're interested in that full face of makeup. Just letting you know that this is no Chanel makeup in this video. So I guess, I don't know, I guess that's all I have for today's video. So either I'll add to this video or this is going to be it. So if you like this video, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And so if you like this, click the like button. Be sure and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And be sure and hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. So, I guess that's it. So, how have you guys been doing? And what have you guys been up to lately? Besides the obvious event, are you guys reading any interesting books or doing any creative activities, exercise, listening to cool music at home? So actually I'm gonna try to not watch news. That's can be kind of a weird addiction. So I'm actually reading some books here and there, trying to educate myself. Might as well, huh? So till the world gets back to quote unquote normal. Anyway, I guess that's all I have to say.